Welcome to this beautiful section. And for this section, we'll be looking at Excel as a data analyst. Yeah, so before we move on to what we have, I would like us to see the Excel layout. So let's move on to our system. So what's Excel? First of all, Excel is a Microsoft tool used for analyzing data, used for cleaning data. You can use it for a lot of things. So it's really broad. Before this class, we'll be looking at just the basics of Excel. So the first analyst is Excel layout. So this simply, let's look at the interface. Let's explain everything we have here. So this is my Excel interface. And on my interface here, I have we have the home button, we have the insert where you can insert everything, your pictures, your shapes, your charts, and even your slides and everything you want to insert. We also have the page layout where you can adjust your page to your desire. You have formulas where you can import your formulas and all of those. Then we also have the data part where you can protect your data, duplicate your data, also remove duplicates. And you can also do a lot with this part. So these are the bars we have here, the panes we have here. So let's move on now to the Excel itself now. Now this is what we call the Excel workbook. Now for the workbook, we can create more spreadsheets by clicking on this first part here. So you can create as much as you want, all right? Each of them is called your spreadsheet, while the whole thing is called your workbook. Okay, so that is what we call the Excel worksheet and Excel spreadsheet. So let's move on now to some part of the Excel. So for Excel, we have different columns. We have a lot of columns. We have the column 1, column 2, column 3, column, they are labeled A, B, C, D down to, is a lot. Is a lot. Same with your rows. We have almost 1,000 thereabouts. We have a lot of rows and a lot of, so you can accommodate even down to 1,000,000 data set, 1,000,000 rows. Yes, Excel is that large. So that's for the columns and the rows. Then we also have the edit bar. This part here is where you can edit what if, for instance, I have sleep here and I want to edit it. You can either edit it here or you can come to the edit bar and edit it there. So this is the edit bar. Why here shows the formula for that. If you have a formula, here shows the formula. Okay. So this part here indicates the name of the cell you are at the moment. So now how do we locate the name of a cell? For instance, now look at food. What cell is food? One easy way to find this out, just go to this part there. It will indicate the name of the cell, which is E7. You can rename it if you want. You can rename the cell if you want, but this is called E7. How do we come about the E7? Food is under the column E and also in row 7. All right, so it's under E and in row 7. That is why we have E7. Okay, for sleep, sleep is under H and in row 8. That's why we have H8. Okay, so let's try one more. I'm going to do this for you now. You tell me without looking at the formula bar, what row is this now? Good. Your turn. Yeah, you got it. That is L12. So which is L12. Let's do one more. So what's this cell's name? You got it. That is I14. I14. So that's how to locate a particular cell. So let's move on to what we have in our course outline.